Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2 Minutes Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download ChatGPT application on Android device. So if you want to find out, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. When it comes to downloading the ChatGPT application from OpenAI on your Android device, remember that there is no official ChatGPT application, so you'll need to go ahead and visit your web browser. Soon after you open up your web browser, go to the search box at the top and type in chat.openai.com. Now log into your OpenAI account by tapping the login button. Enter your email address followed by your password, or use your Google account or your Microsoft account in order to access to your ChatGPT account. Once you are done typing in your credentials, tap continue to log in first. If you don't have an account, you can start up and create a new account by tapping the sign up option. Once you open up ChatGPT on a web browser, tap on the three bars at the bottom right hand corner. Now tap on Add Page to option with a plus icon in it in the pop-up. Tap on Home Screen and enter anything you'd like to name the application. Since it is ChatGPT, let me just type in ChatGPT and tap Add. Now select the Add button one more time and you'll be able to add the ChatGPT shortcut on your Android device, which can be easily accessed from your app drawer. That is the only way you can get a quick access to your ChatGPT service on an Android device, since there is no official ChatGPT app for your mobile devices. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.